Goodbye, South Haven. Today we are packing up and heading out, and of course it's still raining, so that's no fun, but no big deal. Just means it's gonna be a wet travel day. We don't actually have to leave here until 1, and check into our next destination is not until 2. So we've got a pretty good little while. Emily is actually still in bed. Boys are running around if you can hear them stomping about. But just so you know, this is where we are right about now. We're riding right about there. And we're gonna be going up to about here, eventually on up into here, and then coming on down, and then around all the way over there, and then down here. So that's our plan. Hopefully we execute pretty well. We are planning on doing all that in the next 2 months, month and a half. So this morning, Rhett and Emily are doing some homeschool stuff. So me and the other boys loaded up in the truck, and we are gonna go fill up with diesel, maybe grab a couple of snacks for the road, even though it's a short drive day today. It's still about 2.5 hours. Well, in typical travel day fashion, it's raining, and I got to do bring in our hoses, stinky slinky, all the fun stuff. So in the rain. We messed up. It is 11:10 right now, and checkout was supposed to be at 11. And we thought it was at 1, but that's supposedly for the tent sites, not the RV sites. So now we're rushing around. All right, well, we're a little bit late leaving, but not that bad.
30 minutes.
Not that bad for us to have realized it at 11 o'clock that we had to leave.
Yeah.
There you go, Ma.
Hey, what side are we in?
We're in site 11.
Oh, we're like right by the front.
Yeah. Well, we made it to our campground, and it's time to get set up. So, these blocks under in the rain. Get us level, get us hooked up to water and power. I'm actually a bit nervous about opening this. I'm looking in here because, oh, it's locked. Well, we got on the road, and neither of us can remember if someone had locked the refrigerator door. But it looks to be locked, so we're good. I was very afraid that I would open this door and there would be food all over the floor. And I was really thinking about the dozen eggs that we have on like the top shelf that would be all on the floor. So the place that we are at is very nice. Long pull through side. If you could see, I could probably park another truck between my truck and the rig right now. And lots of grass in between sites. So very happy. But we are here in the Silver Lake sand dune area, and it's finally quit raining on us, but I need to wash off some of the dirt from the last place we were at. We were on a gravel site that was probably more dirt than gravel. So when it rained this morning, it really turned into a lot of mud. So Gonna wash off the stairs, the mat. All right, so while the boys play on the bikes and kind of run some energy out and Emily makes supper, I am gonna get some chairs out and make some barriers to keep them from driving in the road, like they're doing right now. Gotta keep your head on a swivel. From Alabama, this is cold weather. I wouldn't say it's cold weather.
Cool weather. This is like peak fall, and we get like 1 week of this in Alabama.
Yeah, it's like 62 degrees outside and overcast, and I'm wearing long sleeves, long pants. You can't see my pants. And so what do you do, right?
Make soup for supper and homemade biscuits.
Broccoli cheddar soup. Store-bought. Yeah, can't take credit for that. We did warm it up though. Just put the boys down and now we're winding down. So
Let's do a workout.
yes. So we're not
Stay
exactly
healthy.
winding down. We're gonna work out and then we'll probably go to bed. But you guys don't get to watch us work out because that's not a pretty sight.
Nobody wants to see that.
Bye. See you tomorrow.